Welcome everyone to another episode of Faye Fitness. Today I wanted to show you an advanced level Pilates move that I like to call the dip and lift. So I call it the dip and lift because the first part of the move is just your normal average tricep dip. It's going to work your pectorals, the front of your delts, it's going to work your triceps and a little bit of your lats. And then the second part, the lift part, is where we work our abs. So it's a fabulous upper body, kind of 2-for-1 exercise if you wanted to add this into your push-pull days, or if you do some kind of dedicated upper body routine that really focuses on pecs and triceps, you can just add some core into this as well. So before I get into a video of me performing this at my local studio, I just kind of wanted to break down what's happening in this video. So the first part of the move is I'm doing just your normal tricep dip. I'm lowering myself down and pressing myself back up using the muscle groups I just mentioned. Now, to get to the lift part is once you've pressed yourself all the way back up and your arms are nice and long, my shoulders haven't kind of turned into earrings, but my shoulders are rolled down and back and they're long. I'm then going to start to engage my transverse abdominis, which are my deep abdominal muscles, by pulling them up and in and rounding my spine. And what that does is it allows A, my booty to clear the foot bar, and B, that lifting of the core up and in works my abdominals. So the first part of the move is lowering myself down, getting that lovely upper body workout. And then the second part is using my deep abdominals to pull me back up and working my core. So it's really that simple. Unfortunately for this exercise, you do need to have access to a reformer. Sorry, I've been trying to just mix up my videos a little bit because I've been feeling kind of bored with just me in a living room doing some exercises. So I thought I'd, at least use some different equipment, kind of make it a little more fancy. So let's cut to that video of me performing this at the studio. So as you can see, I am on a reformer. Right now I'm sitting on the foot bar with my back nice and long, shoulders rolled down and back. My core is engaged because really your core should always be engaged when we're working out. And then I'm lowering myself down as low as I can for this tricep dip, using my upper body to press me back up. And as soon as my arms are nice and long, I'm engaging my deep transverse abdominis to pull my back body and my booty up to the sky. And as you can see, as the booty comes up, my feet are coming in closer to the home bumper on the reformer, so I can then repeat the exercise. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. As always, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you next week for another Faye Fitness video. So until then, bye guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. If you're new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all of my content. Otherwise, I will see all of you next week for another Faye Fitness video. So until then, bye guys!